In this lecture, you will learn about to construct DFA. So the first question that we'll be focusing is construct a DFA which accepts a language of all strings over alphabet set A, B starting with A and ending with B. The second question, construct a DFA which accepts a language of all strings over alphabet A, B not starting with A or not ending with B. So these are the two questions that we are going to solve. So the first question, the condition is starting with A and ending with B. So the first and foremost step is you need to write with the language set. So L is equal to set AB. That is the minimum length of a string that can be used to construct a DFA. Okay. So it starts with A and ends with B. So what if I am having two occurrence of A and a B? That is also possible. If I am having three occurrence of A and a B, that is also possible. Three occurrence of A and three occurrence of B is possible. Then A, B, A, B, A, B. Or I can have A, B, A, B, B. So let these be the set of string that can be accepted by a DFA. Now, how do you estimate a number of states needed for constructing a DFA? So here the minimum length of the string is 2. We name this as N. Okay. Now, in DFA, number of states can be calculated with n plus 1. Okay, number of states is n plus 1. But in some cases, we have to use the dead state. So it is trap state including trap state, depending upon one trap state. Okay. So it will be, what will be the count? It is equal to 4 now. So 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4 states. So we need to use 4 states. Okay. So let's draw the diagram. So this is your initial state, your Q1 and Q2, and we might have a dead state. Now label the states. So it is Q0. It's Q0, Q1, Q1, and here Q2, Q2, and this QT. So let's arrange. So this is Q0 state, Q1 state, and Q2 final state. Okay, and let it be QT state. Now let's draw the Okay, now let's draw the transition diagram. So this is your initial state. From Q0 to Q1, the first input symbol you have to accept is A, and the next input symbol is B, and you reach the final state. So this string is accepted. Now B. So already a transition with respect to Q0 is done. So you cannot use the self loop in that case. So I should use the self loop in Q1 state. Okay. So I'll get B. So this string is also accepted. Now what about 3 occurrence of A? Q0 to A I reached Q1, Q1 to A I am in Q1, and Q1 to A I am still in Q1, and Q1 to B I reached the final state and this string is accepted. So 3 occurrence of B is also possible. Now what about 3 occurrence of A and 3 occurrence of B? So here Q0 to Q1 A transition, Q1 to A transition, Q1 to A transition. I'm still in the Q1 state, and Q1 to B, one occurrence of B is satisfied. What about the other two occurrence of B? In order to make that happen, I should use a self loop with respect to state Q2 with the input symbol B. Okay. Now let's see whether we have satisfied all the DFA condition. So in Q0 I have only A transition, Q1 I have A and B transition, Q2 B transition. So if this isn't the case, we are violating the second rule, that is each state and each input symbol has to be consumed. That does not happen. So what if my initial state starts with B? If I am starting with B, I should send that to a dead state. So this is your B. So I am in the dead state and I should consume all the input symbol. So I should make a self loop with A and B as an input symbol. And this is what we call, this is dead state. Dead state or trap state. So Q0 A and B transition is done. Q1 A and B transition, QD A and B transition done. And what about Q2? If I didn't make the A transition, right? So if I am giving it to the dead state, if I am giving to dead state, because it should end with B, right? If I am having A and then end, will I able to satisfy this string? Okay, so Q0A I reached Q1, Q1B I reached Q2, Q2 we send the A to QD state. Okay, so ABA, I am in QD, I have a B transition, I have A transition, I have a B transition again. So I am in the non-final state, I didn't reach the final state. But this is not possible through this construction. In order to make this construction possible, what we have to do is we have to send to Q1 instead of a dead state. We have to send it to the Q1 rather than the dead state. So we have to redraw transition A, cyclic over here. Okay, so let's consider, let's check whether this particular string is accepted by machine or not. Okay, so let the string be A, B, A, A, B, A, B. Okay, A, B, A, B, A, B. So let's see. Okay, so I'm in Q0. Okay, I'm in Q0 with A as the input symbol. Okay, I reached Q1 with Q1 B as the input symbol. Okay, Q1 B as the input symbol, I reached Q2. Okay, so Q0 with respect to A, Q1, Q1 B as the input symbol, I reached Q2. Then from Q2 with A as the input symbol, 1 second. uh, Q2 A as input symbol, Q2 A as input symbol. I reached Q1, Q1 A as input symbol. I am in Q1 itself. So A, B, A done. Now from Q1 I should go with B to Q2 state. Okay. So I reach the Q2 state, and from Q2 I don't have enough space. Instead of writing, I'll just drop the left. Okay. So Q0 with a transition. Okay, with a transition. Q0 with a transition I reached Q1, and from Q1, 1 second. So Q0 with A as a transition, I reached Q1. Okay, with Q1 B, Q0 A transition, I reached Q1. Okay, with Q1 B transition, I am in Q2. Q2 with A transition, I reached Q1. Q1 with A transition, I am in Q1. Okay, so A, B, A. Now from Q1 to B transition, Q1 to B transition, I reached Q2. Okay. And Q2 to A transition, Q2 to A transition, I'm in Q1. And from Q1 to B, I reached Q2. I reached Q2. Okay. So I'll write Q2. So which is a final state. Which is a final state. So if you reach the final state means this string is accepted. So this string this string is accepted by the machine. Okay, so A B A B A B. Okay, so once we reach the final statement, that string will be accepted. So initially what you have to do is you have to start with A and end with B. Find the minimum length of string, then construct the language set and find a number of states required for this construction. So minimum length of string n is equal to 2 here. So in DFA number of states is n plus 1 trap state. So it is 4. So we got 4 states. Then you just start the input symbol A. So A transition done, then the end symbol. So it should reach the final state, and rest make sure that we have used all the DFA construction steps. Then check whether with the input symbol that the string is accepted or not. So since we reached the final statements, it is accepted. Now let's see the next question. So the next question was construct a DFA which accepts a language of all string over the alphabet sigma a comma b, and here the condition is not starting with, here the condition is not starting with A or not ending with B. So same language set, we will construct the same language set. So L, capital L is equal to set B, not starting with A. So B is not starting with A and ending with B. So I just wrote, so 2 is the minimum length. Okay. Now, you can, if I am starting with A, I should not end with B. So it will be B, 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 A, B, A. So in this case, this string also should accept it, because if I am starting with A, the other question is or not ending with B. So either any of the two conditions can satisfy. So if I am violating this, I can not end with B. So in this string, it is not ending with B. So this string can be accepted. Like that, it goes on. So let's see the states. And like in the previous example, we construct a DFA which contains 1100 as a substring and which does not must not include 110 as a substring. There we applied a trick, that is flipping the state. Same principle is applying over here, flipping the state. So flipping the state means it is final state will be the non-final state. Final state will switch to non-final state, and the non-final state will switch to final state, non-final state to final state. So in the example, the final state was Q2. So Q2 will be non-final state. In this picture, Q2 will be non-final state. Q1, Q0, comma Q1, comma QD will be non-final state. Final state will be final state. And there is no change in the transition diagram. The transition diagram and the transition all same. So we have Q0 final state and initial state, Q1 initial state and final state, and we have Q2, which should be Q2 a non-final state, Q2 non-final state, and we have QD with the final state. Now let's arrange. Reduce the size. Okay, just shift. So this is your initial. This is initial state. Okay, we have Q1 state. Then we have QD. Now label the states. So it is Q0, this one Q1, this is Q2, and this is QD. So let's move. So Q0, this is Q1, and this is Q2 and QD. Now let's draw the transition diagram. So let it be, so from Q0 initial state with A as the input symbol, I reached Q1. So let it be A. Here from Q1 to Q2 with B as an input symbol, Q2. Then Q1 self loop, it is A. Here Q2 self loop with B, and QD. From if starting symbol is B, I should reach the dead state. Okay. Now self loop, A comma B. Okay. A comma A comma okay. Now from Q2 to A, I should move to a Q1 direction, so it will be A. Okay. So thus the transition diagram is for the second question. So now let's try with a sample input. Okay. So let's consider a string starting with, so let it be B at the moment. So B A B A. Consider B A B. So it's not starting with A or not ending with B. So let's consider so Q0 with B as the input symbol, I reached QD. Okay. With QD, A as input symbol, I reached QD. So Q0 with B as the input symbol, I reached QD. QD, A as the input symbol, I am in QD itself. QD again, A, I am in QD. And QDB, QD, QDA, I reached QD. So here QD is also a final state. So that's a final state. So the string final state, then this string, this string is accepted. Okay, so BA is also accepted. Now let's see one more string which starts with A. So let it be A B A B. So let that be the string. Okay, let's see. Q0 with A as an input symbol, Q0 A as an input C, but I reached Q1, Q1 I'm in Q1 itself. From Q1 with B as the input symbol, I reached Q2, and Q2A I reached Q1 again, and from Q1 AA DA. So from Q1 B I reached Q2. Okay, so ending with me means this is not a final state. This is not a non-final state. So this string cannot be accepted. This is a non-final state. So this string is rejected. Why? Because it's not starting with A, or the other condition was not ending with B. So both the condition dismiss. So if I say A over here, I will reach over here. So since A, B, A, no, Q1, A. Q1, I reach Q1, from Q1 to B means it is Q2. So I don't reach the final state. So it's a that string is rejected. So AA, doesn't satisfy the not starting with A or not ending with here. It is not starting with A. It's not ending with B. So that string is accepted. Okay. Hope you understood this portion, and it's very important to understand, and this is how you have to decompose the question. And if you have any queries, please feel free to comment in the comment box. Thank you.